Are you unhappy with your property's unsightly, eroding, and barren slope or hillside? Is it difficult to safely access and maintain your hillside? Does your hillside fail to sustain any of your favorite plants? Have you tried to improve your hillside with bricks, railroad ties, logs, netting, mulch, and other commercial products with no success? What if you could transform your ugly hillside into a beautiful garden that's easy to maintain, safe enough for your kids to play on, and a major source of pride? Introducing the Dirt Locker. It rapidly and easily produces terraced landscaping for planting on hillsides and steep slopes. The 100% recycled plastic, UV protected Dirt Locker components quickly and securely snap together without any tools or fasteners. The Dirt Locker virtually eliminates water and soil erosion by redirecting the water and nutrients downward toward the roots. Transform your lifeless hillside into a bountiful, flourishing, beautiful garden that your family can enjoy and your neighbors will envy.